of girls. In the Western culture, there is much freedom of girls, but in the India, there is no freedom of girls.
How can you say that?
I can say because there is
You are
freedom.
living Western?
Yeah.
Can living, okay, you know western culture economy is very high, you know.
Yeah.
Our culture is not high. They can live easily, they can survive easily, they can buy whatever they want. So I can say western culture is better than Indian culture.
Yeah, you may be right, but Indians peoples are also easily.
There is so much source of earning money, but in the India, there is no source of earning money.
How can you say that? India's more population, so many earning money.
Yeah, I'm saying that in the India, there is so much population. That's why there is no source of earning money.
But Western companies only dependent to India's market. Without India's market, Western companies not.
Freedom. At present time, girls get freedom in India. Get 50% education
But
in
only
India.
50%, not 100%.
But coming time, girls get 99, 100%. If we are talking about gents and ladies go to temple because they get positive energy for us, and with positive energy we can do everything. So how can you say?
To me, Indian culture is 100 times better than Western culture because Indian people live with a lot of relations, so they are happy. But in the Western culture, the people live all alone, so they are not happy. Suppose the Western culture people are suffering from some disease, so there are no any person to care him. But in the Indian culture, there are lot of people.
To me, Indian culture is 100 times better than Western culture because Indian culture are so many festivals celebrated with family. And
Okay, Miss Poonam, stand up. You're saying that many people go to temple in our wish, but
Get positivity.
get positive. But there are many like
Problems.
Indian people think Indian
This is not superstition, this is-
Indian
this is the
people
truth.
listen to me. Indian people thinking very less. So how can you say that?
This is not superstition. They are going to temple. This is faith on God.
No. You are totally.
Electricity, what about the raw material? Good morning guys, my name is Pooja. Today I'm gonna have a debate competition which name is Indian culture versus Western culture. I'm the favor of Indian culture. My first point is that Indian people support every kind of. You are saying Western country people survive expensive life, but I want to tell you Indian people are hard worker. They do hard work, they don't need expensive survive life.
Yeah, you are saying right, they are hard worker, but most
They don't need
Indians have decreased their culture because they are not because they are not religious at this time. They are doing much crime. Like at this time they are religious, but at that time they are not religious
How can you say that? They in the or
because at this time is going on a crime, you know.
the crime is also held on Western culture, but they are also adopt our Indian culture. Indian culture is 100 times better than Western culture because there are few people they are adopted the Western culture, but there are lot of people of Western culture they are adopt our